Hey, hi, hello. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. We live in the suburbs and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we cam, we make sourdough, we do other fun recipes, and today is a fun recipe kind of day. So, if you watched the last video that I made and canned a bunch of applesauce, and I have this jar here that I did not process because it wasn't a full jar, and I was like, I want to find a recipe that I can use this in. So I found a recipe for applesauce oat cookies, and it sounds interesting, and I've never tried it before, and also it's chaos in here. Also, hold on, please hold. This recipe calls for peanut butter, and I am going to use some peanut butter, but I did find this at Trader Joe's, and I think I'm going to try it. I think we're going to put some in there. So, I'm going to shut it. We're just going to get to making these cookies. This recipe is super easy. It's only 4 to 5 ingredients depending on if you want to add certain things or not. So we're going to add 1.5 cups of oats. We're going to add some Marmite. I'm just kidding. We're not going to add Marmite. We're going to add 1 cup of applesauce. All right, now it says to add 1 cup of peanut butter or any other nut butter or any other seed butter. I'm not a massive fan of peanut butter. Jonathan loves peanut butter. So I think what I'm going to do is, I have tasted this. It is delicious. I think I'm going to do 1/2 cup of each. And this might be a disaster. It might not be a disaster. I don't know. But I'm going to just do 1/2 cup of each of these things. So. All right. Now, it does call for, this is optional. It calls for 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. My applesauce is cinnamon applesauce. And this cookie butter spread is also very spicy. So I'm not going to add any cinnamon to it. And it does call for 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And I think I'll go ahead and add that. It does say that's also optional. So, you know, this could be really disgusting. Who knows? We're about to find out. Honestly, I feel like some chocolate chips would be good in this, but we're going to follow the recipe, I guess. All right, it's supposed to make only 12 cookies. I don't know about that. Alright, it's gonna make more than 12 cookies. That's okay. I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and it says to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes. So, that's what we're gonna do. They definitely feel firm, so I'm just gonna let them cool, and then we'll give them a try. Yeah, as promised. Actually, I don't know if I promised it, but Jonathan's trying these cookies. They're really good. Like, I really like them a lot. I like them because they're not very sweet.
give them like 7.
Okay, well, I really like them, like a lot. Yeah?
I need something to drink.
You need some milk?
Or just water. I think my mouth was like really dry from being outside.
Yeah, well, I like them.
I feel them. They taste like, is it like cashews and...
There's no cashews in it.
Really? There's nothing else?
No, it's the crunchy peanut butter.
Oh, it's peanuts.
Well, yeah. I just like them because they're like 4 ingredients. There's no like extra sugar added other than...
No, they're good.
Yeah, they're good if you don't want like a super sweet cookie. So yeah. Well,
I'll eat them.
I give them a 10. John gives them a 7.
7.
Okay, well, I don't know what's our next video gonna be. Nobody knows. Look at the ghosty. So cute.
Oh, thanks to the Dusties.
The ghosties. Anyway, we'll see you guys in our next video. Okay, bye.